After cutting the chopstick, I start with marking them 1 centimeter apart. I use 5/64 drill bit first. Then I increase the size to 3/32. Graduate to increase the size, preventing cracked chopsticks. Like this one and this one. This the worst. Finally, I use 1/8 of the drill bit. Of course, the size of the hole depends on the size of the rope you're going to use. Sometimes I even make a little bigger on the top hole and the second side hole. After spray paint, ready for the connection. I always use the fish line to help go through all the holes. This one I use double knots because sometimes when you pull rope out of the hole, the fish line slipped off. Single knot make it easy to go through, but you have to make sure it's tight. Rope connection is a little different than the chain. Only need one longer rope. In this moment, I need to put the key ring into the loop. Finish one side. Adjust when it needs. Both ropes go through the ring. Now I can connect the second part. Make a knot. Very important. Then hide it inside the second hole. Adjust the length between the two chucks. The length looks pretty good now. Make sure the knot is tight. If you already watched the part 8, you can skip this part. Use super glue to make sure the knots in the hole will not loose. Now I can cut off the excess rope. I use toothpick to push the little end part back into the hole. Add a little super glue. Just make sure it stays there. Do the same thing on the other side. Almost done. That's it. I did exactly the same way on this one. 3 Nunchucks keychains made with chopsticks. Every time I go to the supermarket, I cannot stop myself from looking at the chopsticks. My next project, I'm going to use brand new chopsticks. I took a group shot. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching.